There we go. I was worried it wasn't protected in here. There's one more thing in here I got as well. It's the little prism. It's supposed to hold the Fidget Cube. And little, okay. Well, that's all good. Double check. Okay, so let's start with this bad boy here. See how good this is here. There we go. There we go. Sorry, I don't get real talkative when I'm focusing on opening up things. There we go. Okay. Okay. It's very kind of a very thin material. Let's see how I feel. So this here's the cube. Okay. This bubble wrap kept your Fidget Cube safe on his journey to you. Take a moment to treat yourself and pop a few. That's cute. Would have been nice if it held its place in the in this thing here. So, because I think that was supposed to hold that in place. So let's open this bad boy up here. Oh, I just realized it's a giant cube there. So really nice packaging. Very pretty. I really wish it would stick in place though. It's kind of annoying that they made this humongous thing for this tiny cube to get like batted around in. Would have preferred it if they made it maybe smaller. Nope. There we go. It's a little holder. Yeah, it's supposed to be sticky. Did not do a great job of holding the Fidget Cube in place, so work on that another time, guys. Ooh, cute little sticker. I like it. Okay. The bag is nice. I might actually use this. I kind of paid $3 for this thing. And I paid $3 for this, and then they announced that they were making a bag for it, which is sort of... Ooh, this is a nice weight. Okay, that's good. So that's one side. It's the little slider thing, and it feels really good actually. Oh, that's nice. Switch. Okay, so on the sides are the silent buttons. The one in the middle is a little bit not as hard to press. The ones on the corners are just, oh, they feel so good. A little worry stone. That ball. It's making a noise, but it really it's looser than I imagined for this switch here. I was hoping for a yeah, it's good. I like the weight to it. It's sort of weirdly balanced actually. I'm kind of trying to figure out where is this all the weight coming from, because it feels like there's just a bit of weight in here. I like it though. Not bad for $20. Yeah, that's the Fidget Cube from NC Labs.